I saw him in Legendary Alati and Tridon.
And I'll go along with that.
He set 3 cards down.
In our land, you're a hero.
God damn.
And my turn.
Yeah, sure. Maybe you are now.
Attack on that.
18. What'd you drop? What'd you drop? Already?
Yeah, it's right here though.
Like we just started. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So, check this out. So we were talking about getting the hybrid short shifter, but we actually decided, well, Hector actually looked into it and decided to go with a Type R stock shifter. Now, the reason we went with this is because, how much was this? Like 40 bucks?
55.
55? 55 after tax from a Honda dealership. So this is all like OEM and new?
New.
This is new. Okay, cool. 50 bucks versus $400 with the hybrid short shifter, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, when you're looking at it, the Type R shifter throw is what, 30% less than the SI?
I think so, yeah.
It's about 20 to 30%. Regardless, it is a significantly shorter throw, like a short throw shifter. So I have an adapter in my car, so I have a short throw shifter adapter. He's actually getting the whole shebang. But like I said, instead of going with hybrid, we just ended up getting, or Acuity, we ended up just getting the Type R shifter. And we got some base bushings that we're gonna add to the bottom. And he already added this Acuity spring. What is it that you got? What is this called?
It's the centering spring.
The centering spring?
Yeah.
And what does it do? It just less wiggle movement?
It's for it to return to center. It's like literally what it's for. It's just a thicker spring.
The thicker spring. Okay, I'm gonna go with that. Anyways, he got that too. So first things first, disconnect the battery, which he already did right here. Victor has smaller hands, so he's getting my 10 mil. Next thing we gotta do is inside here. Oh, did you already measure it?
Actually, no, let's do that now.
Let's do that right now before you take all that off.
And we'll measure out the throw. So from the top, yeah, about 5 inches of throw.
Go to first gear. So 5.
So about 5 inches.
Okay. All right, let's go ahead and start taking all this off. So Hex, what's the first step you got to do?
Actually, you can start by taking off all these fucking pieces. So there's a fucking lot of them. Since COVID, you know.
All this is coming out?
Yeah, you gotta literally remove the whole center console.
Gotcha. Is that it? We got one right here on the side.
No, it says just these two because I think these are for the back shit.
Oh, okay. You don't need to take that, or do you?
No. Oh, the boots. So the boots like on there.
Mmm.
So yeah, it's just the 3 connectors. 1, 2, 3, and then this pops off. Well, should, but zip ties, you know. Zip ties is safe.
You want me to get a knife, or you got it? Oh, there you go. And I got zip ties in my car if you need it.
Nah, I'm gonna just fucking take it off. Wait for the new one.
You gotta take this off too?
Yeah, because I think there's a few screws back here.
Jesus.
Yeah.
All right, what else did you take out?
So I took off the climate control, which is a key. So pry on this side, pry on this side, pull it out, and there's 1 and 2 electrical connectors, and then it just pulls out.
For sure. And that's it, huh?
And that's it for that.
Taking it to the dealership. Hey, there's something wrong with my car.
Right?
I can't go into sport mode or
What the fuck? And I know.
or turn on the air conditioner. So they're gonna look at a car and be like, I think it's because you're missing a knob. Oh, this part comes out too?
Yeah, because
Jesus.
you're literally taking this entire thing off.
That's messed up. All for that?
Yeah.
Okay, let me get out the way.
Okay, so then there should be another 2 connectors. This one should just pull out. It's a little lighter.
Okay, so we were able to get that out because Hector's macho hands. But just giving you guys a heads up, that was a pain to take out from there because it was stuck in there, and you just need to push in the clip and pray for the best. So all this is gonna get removed, guys. How many bolts are in there?
There's 2 in here.
Okay.
Yeah, but there's a connector here that I need to remove this back piece for. This comes off. Start from the top, pull it down. There's an electrical connector right here. And this just
Jesus, dude.
lifts up. And then there's... Oh, I gotta remove this clip. Here.
One more.
Yeah, there's one more here, then there's another connector down at the bottom here. That's for your auxiliary,
Gotcha.
your USB.
And now you just start working on the shifter.
And then the shifter's there. And this is why my fiance did not want me to do this.
When I did this with my TC, and when I did this with my Civic 8th gen, I didn't have to remove all of that. I only had to remove the shifter itself, like, or whatever you want to call it. Like, it wasn't really that bad.
You know, I changed the whole assembly on the 8th gen and it was
faster.
yeah, but actually I think to do the whole assembly you had to remove the center console for the 8th gen also. You just did the adapter.
I put base bushings on it though. I managed to do it without taking the whole console out. I have base bushings.
The whole thing, so
Yeah, I said no.
I said yes. Which was actually worth it. The Buddy Club one was actually worth it.
I probably should have taken it.
You should have.
Oh well.
Where'd you leave that 10th gen? Or that 10th gen? That 10 mil.
Backseat.
You gotta remove this little pin here, which is right here, that holds the cable here. And then that should be it. You gotta remove this bracket here.
No way.
Yeah. Broke, so I gotta go to your house and get the 8 mil.
Gotta get the email. That was my favorite one. All right, now we know. Don't don't ever use one like that.
Yep, and 2. So 2 8 mils for the bracket. So then it's just 1, 2, 3, and 4 on this side for the 10 mils.
And by the way, guys, we're actually following Acuity's step tutorial to install their short shifter.
Yes.
So just letting you guys know if you guys want a better install video. We're following that.
This is gonna come off. All these wires, the wire looms that are connected, have got to come off.
Probably should have taken them off first before,
Yeah.
because then they're all gonna move with it. What is that?
And that holds that.
Okay. Is that it?
That now it's time to release the cables. Now it's just cable time.
Okay, guys, so it's out. These were a pain to get out, but we got them. The first, and that one, and the left one.
Well, it's not gonna grab a.
Yeah, I know, but and then shift to first on this one. Oh, dude, you can see the difference.
Also, I think this is.
Like, if you just go, okay, just do this. Look at that. Yeah, that's the difference right there. Yep. Yeah. Cool. Wow. All right, let's go ahead and put that back on. So we're also going to be adding on base bushings, pretty much on the bottom of that. So that's going to go on all 4. It's really easy to do.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so base bushings are pretty much on, guys. So the Type R shifter's already been on there right here. We got all 4 of them on. We're just tightening them up with the hex key. and then we're pretty much gonna put everything back together reverse wise from what we've been showing you guys. This is not gonna go anywhere. All four are tight, so we are set to go. We're just gonna start putting everything back in place. I'm probably not gonna film that because we just wanna get this done with. We haven't even finished doing the install, guys, but I mean, we kinda did because this is already on. But just looking at this, that is significantly shorter, dude. So much shorter. Oh my God. I can't find fifth. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, reverse. Oh my God, dude. Even reverse is shorter. This is probably the best cheap investment you've done.
And honestly, I didn't go all the way with parts because Acuity also sells this plastic piece.
It's like 150 bucks or something, right?
It's 100 bucks.
100 bucks? I saw that.
$110. But seeing that I am going on a trip soon, I said,
no, you don't. Dude, this is good enough. We're gonna go ahead and put everything back together, and we're gonna go for a test drive real quick, and try to.
We should go on a test drive now before we put everything back together. Seeing that if anything is loose and whatnot, but I do need to put.
You need to put everything.
I need to put my e-brake thing back on.
Yeah, dude. So you need to put everything back together.
I forgot it's electric. Son of a bitch. Okay. All right.
That was good thinking, but we got to put everything back.
Forgot I had fucking AC, bro.
Dude. Okay, so right there, go to second. Whole inch came off. It's the first time a man wants that, to get a whole full inch off.
Sometimes, man.
But how are the throws though?
Feel good. Ora!
Dude, I laugh whenever I see cars just drive on the freaking thing.
Because somebody's like parking us all there.
So funny, bro.
Like if they came and told
Like,
me.
I know that's the work smarter, not harder moto, but still.
Mamma mia.
Yeah, that's what you call some DoorDash.
Victor made a
Big
funny.
deal with the joke. See how loose?
Yeah. And you can't even go in the sport mode, huh?
No. Alright.
So all the lights are back on. We're all set. He drove around for about 5-10 minutes, turned it off, turned it back on. Everything's reset. We're all chilling. So
Trying to get some food.
you're gonna go run it or what?
Let's go. 8th gen. Looking for an 8th gen.
You looking for an 8th gen to run?
A black one with white wheels.
Oh, dude, I think there's one around the street, but I heard he was bolt-on, dude.
Sambolcito drives it.
But anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Hector, $100, right?
$100.
Best $100 you could spend on the 10th Gen SI.
120 tops.
About so.
Yeah, well, after taxes and all that shit, but yeah, no more than 150.
Best mod you can do for it, and it's cheaper than the hybrid racing and the Acuity. Yeah, you're really drawing on my car, bro. Messed up. But anyways, guys, I'll see you guys in another video. The mods are coming for the 10th Gen, just slowly, and we will be going on it from there. So I'll see you guys in another video. You guys have a good day. Peace.